Some of the most popular posts are before and after images from installs. People love to see who they hire is going to provide quality work. You can also encourage your technicians to grab selfies in front of their latest job so that it can be shared as well. This allows your existing customers to see the people they've worked with and for new customers to see who may be coming out to their home. Another excellent way to showcase your knowledge is by answering frequently asked questions. If you've heard a question more than 3 times, you should be answering it on a video so your audience can watch it on demand. This will provide more clarity and increase your reputation with potential leads that are browsing your socials. Pro tip: you can also add these to your website. You should also be sharing your latest awards, community events, new hires, birthdays, and even national events related to your industry out on socials. For instance, June 22nd is National HVAC Day. Here's an idea: throw a party in the office, take tons of pictures, play music, get videos, show that your team is happy and proud to work in the industry. Social media is where you create a brand image. Use it to stay in front of customers and to gain new ones.